Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook, and today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The MACD has plunged into the negative zone. Volkswagen stock has gained 2.6% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator has gradually diminished into the positive area. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.8% in the last three sessions. Stochastic has collapsed into the negative zone. The Aussie-dollar pair has gained 0.9% in the last three sessions. The ultimate oscillator has sunk into the negative zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
The Venezuelan government's push to create a cryptocurrency-centric economy appears to be working. Walmart said it was joining Microsoft in a bid for social media company TikTok's U.S. assets, revealing its plans hours after the video company's chief executive said he would step down. The UK is forecast to lose £22 billion in spending as international tourism plummets, putting almost 3 million jobs at risk, according to a report.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The German CPI will be released on Monday at 1200 GMT, the Japanese unemployment rate Monday at 2330 GMT, the Australian RBA interest rate decision Tuesday at 430 GMT, the Eurozone's unemployment rate Tuesday at 900 GMT, the U.S. initial jobless claims Thursday at 1230 GMT, and the U.S. non-farm payrolls Friday at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.